Okay guys, so welcome to the channel. This is Unboxing Kingston. And of course today, as you can see, we'll be reviewing the Fire HD 8. So on the back of the box, we have some of the specs. As you can see, same 8-inch display. This one, however, has a micro SD slot that can go all the way up to 1 terabyte. 2 gigabyte of RAM running in a quad core setting, where it's an update from the previous generation, 9th generation, which was 1.5. Dual band AC Wi-Fi, and of course it comes with front and rear facing cameras with Dolby Atmos surround sound available. So as you can see, I've already gone ahead. There's supposed to be a seal right here to ensure that it has not been tampered with. This one, I have chosen the plum color, very unique color. And this one is Pops. Of course, this camera, unlike the previous generation, it's front facing camera. Unlike the previous generation, the front facing camera is on the side, as well as, but all in all, this feels like a solid build. Very small. I think they have reduced the size of the bezels. I remember the others being a little bit larger, but I'm loving this one so far. Of course, you have here where you can insert your micro SD, power, volume knob, charger, mic, and of course the headphone jack. Gotta have your headphone jacks. Okay, so this is the tablet. Let's see what's in this nice little box at the bottom. We have our charging adapter, our welcome manual from Amazon, and of course this is an upgrade, guys. We now have Type-C charging available on this model. The previous generations didn't have that. It was just regular, just the regular USB charging. Let's see what else. Of course, we have a welcome and how to set up our tablet. And this shouldn't be too hard, so let me just take this plastic off. The plastic, it seems to have a nice texturized feeling. As I said, it's not as bulky as the previous generation. This one actually looks smaller. And of course, the glass, it's already taking up a lot of fingerprint. So let's power it on. Oh, that sounds like it needs to charge. Okay guys, so we're going to run through the setup real quickly. Let's go with United States English. And of course, it's asking me for my Wi-Fi setting. Let me just get that in there real quick. Okay guys, so I've just put in my Wi-Fi settings. So of course it's asking me for my Amazon password. So let's get that in there real quick. Of course, it comes preloaded once you are a Prime customer. So my settings were already in the tablet when it came. Okay, let me just press continue for all of these. Oh, and here's an introductory video.
From watching movies and reading books to asking Alexa for the weather, there are lots of ways to enjoy your new Fire tablet. Try asking Alexa to play music or movies, make calls, check the news or your commute, and more. Just say Alexa to get your tablet's attention. Alexa, what's the weather?
It is fairly loud, coming from dual speakers.
You'll see lots of clouds with a high 49 degrees and a low of 39 degrees.
That could be found on the top or the bottom, depending on how you look at it.
Want to watch. Alexa, show me
coming from the sides.
Here's what I found.
Yes. So just quickly running through the introductory video.
With show mode, Alexa provides visual responses you can see from across the room. Now your tablet is even easier to use while you're doing other things. To get started, just plug your tablet in and say, Alexa, switch to show mode. Ask Alexa to start a timer or find a recipe. Alexa, show me a recipe for banana muffins. Okay, for banana muffins, here's a few recipes. If you want to see more, say next. Make hands-free video calls.
I'm just going to fast forward this video so we can go into the settings. Of course, my profile and my daughter's profile is already set up on this tablet. It will be mostly used by my daughter. This is really her tablet. So like I said, everything has come preloaded. Of course, you have to put in a PIN for the parental lock. So let me put that in real quick. And of course, it's asking you about deals like Amazon Audible. This one is Kindle. No thanks. And it's asking you, these are books that I already had. So let me just go now so we can get into the interface. These are games that were downloaded before. So we'll be starting first with this one for the apps.
Hello. Alexa is on your tablet. You can use your voice to open apps. Ask questions.
And for those who don't know, Alexa is basically the Siri of Amazon. It's very effective, very smooth, and she tends to pick up your voice very easily and understands right away what exactly it is that you need. So now that we have finished setting up the Amazon, this is it. And that's about it. This once again was the Fire HD 8, guys.